Meaning of insanitary.
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 Insanitary. The word insanitary pertains to conditions or circumstances that are unclean, unhealthy, and unsanitary. When an area or environment is described as insanitary, it means that it does not meet the minimum standards of cleanliness and poses a serious risk to public health due to the potential spread of diseases. Insanitary living conditions can lead to an increase in illness, infection, and disease outbreaks, particularly in densely populated areas with poor sanitation facilities. Proper hygiene practices and regular cleaning and maintenance are crucial to prevent insanitary conditions and ensure a safe and healthy living environment for all.